Even in Branbury?
It's Harley.
Go, Gabe.
Nice strike, yay!
Nice. Leave Barry. Rip. Oh! I wiped him down 3 times with an anti-fog spray. They got one cage helmet in case they fog up on them. Charlie Domino using their other one. He's gonna limit the penalties.
Pass, Gar. Why didn't you scoot that out?
Nice job, Char.
There you go. Come on, Owen. Cut it. Take it out. Knuckleball.
Yeah, it was. Boy, Lee.
There you go, Billy. Keep creating that, baby.
The hook. Takedown.
Good job, Billy.
Pass.
Yeah, those legs moving out of it. Oh, come on. Here comes Shark. First goal of the year.
Cover up, Charlie, that boy.
Good job, Char!
Whoa.
Good see you there, Shark.
All the way. Keep it all the way.
Violet!
That'll wait, Charlie.
Go, Bill.
Slide me.
Come on, we have to go.
Oh, wow. Numbers. Come on, Billy. Go, Billy.
Oh, he's got him.
Get out front.
Oh, yeah! Oh, come on, this is it!
What?
Oh, nice. That away. Way to dig, Char. Way to dig, Char. Keep digging. That away.
For interference, that's 6:30, that's the penalty for interference.
That away, Char. Way to cover.
You know to do that after you've been slow at 5 minutes.
Back, Charlie.
Oh, is that after you're taking? Yeah, if you
They got a lot more than 4 shot time.
and then finally you go, no, you can't make that move. But on your first one, really?
All right, Jack.
Down. Go hard. Right, stay. Somebody go hard. One of you really
He's not good to get it.
Where was that car?
You did?
Pressure on it. Make them make a bad pass.
Scott, full strength.
All right, Peter.
Watch out! Again, he's just getting toasted.
Close that. Oh, you know what?
Pass, Peter.
Do we know why both?
I like how you cut right there.
in, Riley. Take the guy. Take the guy,
Good cheese, buddy. There you go. Come on.
Nice play. Holy. That a horse. Take the guy right out of his shot.
I
Yeah, he was playing with those players.
he didn't get a lot of sleep last
That's what you gotta go.
He's a little behind.
You could have picked this top. Still getting on. Where you gotta go sports it.
Off the post!
Go, Gabriel!
Yeah,
Boy,
beat him. You got him.
Okay.
Point! Out to the blue line!
That way to keep it in, Charlie. Right on front, Bill.
Shoot it. Just shoot it.
Oh, nice shot.
Oh, Barry.
Oh!
Not even close. He saw that whole wide open net. There we go.
Oh! Oh!
It's the new man. You saw that too well.
Shoot it. Oh, that was your one-timer.
All Riley.
Got a book. Hook or not? Good shit. Come on, Red.
Right on, Charlie.
She put that on your bill and
That way, Charlie.
beat him. Beat him, Peter.
Nice play, Riley.
Go. Get it. Deep. Go down, bro.
No wonder we don't have a goal. No Boshi. Come on, Lee.
Out front. No.
Where's Lee?
Good job!
Go.
Goodness, 3 stops in a row. Up front.
Earn it, Lee. Come on, be the hero.
They're doing everything but putting it in the net.
Be the hero. Come on.
Ready to keep it in.
Come on, Gabe. Here it comes. Right in the slot.
Gabe. Oh,
Lebo. What?
no.
No wheels. No wheels.
Man. You can lead like that slow motion.
Oh, that was awful. Could have called too many guns there, too.
Right off his pad.
Oh!
Unbelievable, nice pass.
Oh!
Charlie, nice shot. Thank you.
That's the Westica, 15:40 in the first period. 2 minutes for interference. That's 15:40. Time of the penalty for interference.
Go, Scott! Come on, babe.
1 minute remaining in the first period. 1 minute.
Bring it right up, right?
Come on, Riley. Come on, dude.
Go hard, pal.
I love that play that they set up. The old slap it in. Riley was back there like, what's going to be this big slap?
Now, shoot that.
No shorties, no shorties. Guys.
Bill's playing D? It's not his line. Oh, they're on the power play, yeah. Guys, come on now.
On the power play? I bet.
It's left over.
Well, we don't have any more. That was sensational.
Good try, Riley.
Sensational. Four is a big boy.
Yeah, you didn't want to check that. They had it back in. That's a hole! Good job!
You in the back.
Back.
You did see your picture on the door. Right, Chuck? Beware of this man.
Get right back, Red!
That away, Bill.
Princess of Osika at 240 front 3 in the second period. 2 minutes for tripping. That's 243 time of the penalty for tripping.
That was for you. Look at me.
Hey, Mom, get here at the beginning of the play. Oh, you gotta get that.
Come on, guys. Yeah, that one goal takes the wind out of the sails. Skate it all the way, Riley. All the way.
5-on-3. Wait, Bill.
Come on, guys, like the slow boat. Smart! It's not risky fast, so we can lollygag.
Come on, Red!
You don't want to poke the bear.
Sorry!
Hockey can be
10 seconds!
Blue Jays, full strike.
They can't get a good bounce. Darn it.
Really? Use those long arms.
Take him, dude. Move your feet, 12. Go! Take the guy, Lee.
Eddie Mazzola.
Go Gabriel!
Oh, somebody picked him up.
You are lucky.
Nice boy, Jack.
That'll wake Lee up. He got blasted. He got destroyed in here. Hustle, man! He's really sorry.
Run, Harley, tie it up right now. Drill it, Harley, drill it. Get it.
5 minutes. Checking from behind. 6:31. Time of the penalty. Checking from behind.
Good check, Evan.
Put the line and get Bill on. Go with him.
Oh, it was a checker from behind.
Yeah.
Come on, tie it up right now, Red.
Correction of the last 14. It was 40. Checking from behind. 40.
Good boy, Steve. Give it all the way up. Atta boy, Evan. Get in there, 5. Peter. Oh, shoot. Get in. Drill it, Lee. Way to keep it in, Billy. Go, Bill. Way to keep it in, Billy. It's gonna go in. Come on. Come on, move your feet out. Let's go. Wind it up, Gabe. Wind it up.
Stay on side. There you go, Gabe. Go quicker.
Here we go. Let's do this. Get it over. Get it over. Oh, jeez. Drill it! Shoot it! To the net! To the net! That away. Shoot that. Nice try. Hustle! There it is, shoot backhand!
Dick, here's your song. Brand new pair of roller skates, you got a brand new team?
Oh, yeah. Come on, Red, tie it up!
Charlie!
Hell out of here.
Hard to beat you guys. Outside!
What is that? What are we doing?
Go, Gabe. Go.
That's a Scott Stoll.
Nice pass. Throw it.
Delivered 22 years special assisted by number 8, Leon. That's 22.
Come on, Peter. No, no. Get him, Dave. Come on, Billy. Come on, Lee. Good boy, Jack.
I hope they take a look at that.
Good boy, kid. Nice try.
Ring it, ring it, ring it!
Nice stop, Jack.
Chip it out. Sauce it out. Chip it out. Use the glass. There you go.
Too much fun.
Oh, getting out work.
It's fun for everyone to be together.
26 seconds, shoot the puck.
Cover up.
We went to hang it quick on the first goal of the game at 1:28 of the second period. Goal scored by Brandon Daner, number 19, and Daner, 1:28 in the second period.
Isn't it a plane?
Sorry, Jason.
It's all right.
Down in front. You.
Let's get one. Come on, let's get one. Help out! Good change, though. Go hard, Peter.
Oh, jeez, that's easy. Get away, Charlie.
Go. Go! Gabe, come on, Gabe! Go!
What a play.
Wide now, there, go wide. Shoot it. Step up, dude. Come forward. Can't even speak. Give me that. Somebody to block that. Go hard. Deep and change. Come on, you gotta get to the Go. Just chip it out. Through you. No. There you go. Go, Gabe. Beat him. Come on, Gabe. Right now. Good boy, Riley. Come on, Red. Get it in there. Tie him up. Take the guy. Elbow. Oh, jeez. Once a guy gets away, Jack. Bill. That's how they get us at the short.
way, Evan. Go, Peter, go. Take it up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Billy, oh Billy, oh Billy. Oh, here we go. No, get the puck. There you go. Go, get that pass. Come on. This is a line they gotta beat. Come on. And pass.
I see it bounces right to them.
And pass. Come on, let's think now. Here we go.
Good pass, Billy. They pulled him down.
Oh, and a
Penalty shot. Penalty
Yes,
shot.
wow.
Penalty.
The penalty has been assessed to Wasika.
Drill it. Over to Phil.
Drill it, drill it. First time. There it is.
Get in there.
Trying to get a body.
Keep shooting, Red.
Go.
Oh, nice shot, Riley. Way to save it.
Come on, let's go. Turn it in, Gabe. Go. Wind it. Let's go.
Right there.
Get there. I said it. Now we said it. Can't have three guys in one spot.
Come on, Bill, drill it. Way to go, Riley! Great play, Riley!
Penalty comes just to the Scots at 10:26, third period, 2 minutes for 2 minute men and the ice. Surely penalty is number 16.
Out. Beat him up. There you go. There he is. He got to ya.
Get it over. Nice pass! Oh, it was bouncing. What a nice pass. Attaboy, Jack.
We need goals, not bodies, guys. Come on.
As it was Siga, power play goal scored at the 11-1 number 9, Pete Meyer, assisted by number 23, PJ Summers. That's Meyer from Summers, 11-1 at third period.
Come on, Alex.
Don't shove back. Interference. Get through. Get through. Go outside. Come on.
Oh, yeah. Yes, Riley.
Hit it. There you go.
Get there, Alex.
Go with it, Bill. Shoot it. Nice pass. Where you go, Billy?
Plenty of time, guys.
Bosun, you want to go over and join?
Things always got to do. I thought they changed that rule a couple years ago. Somebody get there. Let's hit you in the back. Yeah, it would help to have him in both.
Dig it. Keep jamming.
Let's go.
Blow the whistle. Let's go.
Scored at 13-42. Number 7, Billy Linder, assisted by number 2, Emmett Lindstrom. That's Hayward from Lindstrom, 13-42, third period.
Set it up. There we go. Go get it. Go get it. Hit him. Really don't get beat.
There it is. In a hostile game.
Oh, we have to roll. Tell them what the have to draw. Win a game. Outside. Pass that block. Right here. There we go. Primo!
Get in there.
play it back. Let it fire. Go. Oh, come on!
Cover your zone.
And then, Pete, let's go! Come on, Peter, get there!
30
Get it, Phil.
Come on, Gabe. Come on, Gabe, get him.
Get it out to the point.
You got it, come on.
Out to the point.
You got this.
Stick on the ice skate right there. Nice. Thank you.
Get it. Oh.
Get it out. Really can't set up. Goes up 13 seconds again.
Need a one-timer. No.
No one, no one!
No one.
Oh, they're changing. Go. Shoot it.
Shoot it. Oh, right on. Right out front, Bill. Get back, John.
You get a timeout in overtime? So you get a timeout in overtime? I don't think so. No, you guys. Chip it out, Char! Billy, oh, we gotta move. We're in danger here now. Go, skate it! Dump it. Oh, Dave, beat him. He's got to skate hard in that though. They're not going to give him an automatic.
Right away, Jack.
Go. Give it to him. Go.
Come on, lift your stick. Stop the guy.
Stick. You try to get a step on the tongue. Let him put his elbow back out of the way.
Way to go, Jack!
Go, Gabe, dump it in.
Attaboy, Gabe.
Go, Billy, go, go, go.
Attaway, Bill. Stay with him.
Me too.
That'll be the one.
Go, go, go. It's still off. Come on, Gabe. Go, go, go.